Hello everybody, welcome to the first vlog. Today we are shooting for my all new course that will be available on Skillshare, and that's for a TOEFL masterclass. So how do I flip this? We have our camera right here, and then I have my LED light, which was a lamp in my room, but now I'm using this as an LED light. So we have this right here, then here's the chair. That's the shirt that I just changed from. That's my baby's old chairs that I have to give to somebody else. And then this is my laptop on which I have my script on. And this is the background setup. That's my husband, so all the clutter is right there. Oh, how do I focus this? All the clutter is right there. And then this is my setup, and I'm probably gonna open a screensaver just to make sure we have good background, and then we will get started. We are done shooting for the course, and I was trying to take some shots for my next YouTube video, which was Netflix take 2, and apparently my camera has died. I'm quickly going to pack up because it might be time for my son to get up, so let's go. Back to this place. Gigantic. I swear I took so many notes for Netflix. Still there. Oh, it's the kitchen. Oh, they put the spicy powder in the fries.
They did?
They did. So we just picked up some takeaways from Port of Peri Peri, and now we are here at Walmart, and I'm waiting with Afan in my car, and while the husband is gone inside to pick up Afan's milk, and we were out of salt and some potatoes. So we're just gonna wait over here and chill while eating the fries while Baba gets back. Afu. It is now 11 p.m. My son has finally slept around half an hour ago, and washed my face and then prayed and did my yoga all in half an hour. And now I'm probably going to check on a few emails real quick, fill up my water bottle for my nightstand, and then I'm going to sleep. So it was very nice taking you guys along with me for today, and I'll see you guys again next time in the next video. Peace. Good night.